Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Modern Tablist Control in PowerApps. So please watch this video till end so that you understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In PowerApps, if you want to work with the Modern Tablist Control, you need to go to Settings. Then you need to go to Updates. And from here, you need to enable this Modern Controls and Themes. After that, you can close it. And then you can search for Tablist. Here you can see that we have this Tablist control, and now it is asking for the data source. Here we have this items property. In the items property, we have this item 1, item 2 and item 3 as default value. To set a value for this Tablist control, we will go to app, and here I will choose on start, right? And here we will create a collection. So I will say clear collect. I will name it as tab data, comma, then a square bracket, inside the square bracket curly bracket, and then close the round bracket. Now here I will specify the values. So first I will give the name attribute. So let's say it is home, comma, then action, navigate, and then screen. And that is going to be screen 1, and then comma, then here I will specify the URL, then double quotes, right? Now what I will do is I will click on this expand, and then I will say format text. I will drag this down, and then I will copy it, and then put a comma, paste it again, put a comma, and paste it again, right? Now here I will say email, and here I will say about us, right? Now we need to create two screens. I will collapse it, and then I will add a screen here. I will go to new screen, and then blank. Again I will click on new screen, and then blank, right? Now I will go to app, on start. Here I will specify screen 2, and here I will say screen 3, correct? Now in the about us, we need to specify the URL. Now in the URL, I will paste this URL, right? Now I will collapse it. Now what I will do is I will click on this three dot, and then click on run on start, and then click on this variables, and here you will see that I have collection, and we have 3 rows in this data. Now I will set the items property of this tablist control. Here I will clear it, and then I will put as tab data, correct? After this I will click on edit, and then I will click on add fields, and from here I will choose name, and then click on add. Now you can see that we have 3 menu items, right? Now I will play this application. Here you can see that you are able to navigate through this menu items, right? For the tablist control, you can also set the alignment. For example, you can come here and set it as vertical, and if you drag it down, you will see that your menu items in vertical mode. For now, I will keep it as horizontal, and I will adjust this tablist control here. Now what I will do is I will go to screen 2. Here I will add a text, and here I will add the text as screen 2. And I will increase the font size here. I'll make it as 56, and I'll set the font weight as bold. Similarly, I will go to screen 3. Here I will add text, and I will name it as screen 3. Set the font size as 56, make it regular, and what I will do is I will also add this tablist control, so I will just copy it and I will paste here. I will drag this control below, put it here. Similarly, I'll paste it here. Now I will select the onSelect property of this control. Here I will write switch, then self.selected.action, and then here I'll specify navigate. In that case, it has to navigate, then I will use navigate function. In the bracket, I will specify self.selected.screen. After that, I will put a comma here, and here I will say if it is link. In that case, it has to launch that URL, so I will use the launch function, and then I will say self.selected .url, and then I will close the bracket. So you can see that this formula I have placed in screen 3 tab list 2. I will just copy it, and then I will come here. Here I will choose on select, paste it here, and again here I will choose on select and paste it here. While creating the collection, here we need to specify the link, right? And I will keep this screen 3 as blank. If you will not specify any value here, it will give error, so we will use blank function here. Right now I will click on run on start. I will collapse it. Now to set the default selected items, for that what we will do is we will use the lookup function, and here I will use tab data source. Here I will use a screen equals to app.active screen. I will just copy this formula. Now here I will go to tablist control of screen 2. Here I will choose this default selected items and paste the formula. Same thing I will do on screen 3. Right? Now I will play this application. Here you can see that it is able to navigate. And if I click on About Us, it will open the URL in a new tab. So this is how you can use tablist control in PowerApps. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.